Okay, students, in continuation of our first video, we will just continue the second one, and now we'll discuss about some features which are present in this. If press enter in window. If you want to calculate the result, we just need to uh, press enter button to calculate the result. Suppose we have some numbers and we want to add these numbers 20, 30, 50, 60, and we want to add these numbers. So just we will write sum A4 column A7, and if we press the enter, we will get the result on that particular field, right? So in this way, we can enter is a command or instructions for calculations. Excel multiplies that last two numbers and adds the first numbers to the result. You can see here an example. Let's take another variation of the simple equal formula, equal to 5 plus 2 into 3. 5 plus 2 into 3. Okay, so what will happen? 5 plus 2 plus 3. We'll copy this value and write it over here. Now you can see enter. Five plus two into three. You can see 11 is the result of this calculation. Use auto sum. There is an option of auto sum also, so we can use auto sum in this. You can use auto sum to quickly sum a column or row or numbers. So if we have numbers in a column, or we have numbers in different rows and we want to add up those numbers, we can do this. Select a cell next to the number you want to sum and click on auto sum, and then press mm, enter. We can see this example. Suppose we have these numbers and we want to add all these numbers, then we can go over here, this option auto sum, and click on this number, and it will automatically sum all the numbers in this range. Okay, there are some average and count numbers, max, min, and even there are more functions if you want to use them in this. So you can see over here average, if, hyperlink, count, max. So there are many functions which we can apply automatically on the range of numbers. So what is range of number? Range of number, this is single number, this is a range of numbers. When we select many numbers from different cells in an Excel sheet, it is called range of cells. Range of cells, like A2 is the first range and P2 is the last range. So in this range of number, we have to use this symbol colon, and in column we write first range and last range, and it select all the cells in that range. So how this auto sum works? Next is you can also type alt plus equal to sign to automatically add numbers. Suppose we will now go to next sheet, or we have some numbers. Okay, oh, we want to add these numbers, so we will just press alt and equal to. What we have done, alt and equal to. Alt equal to and enter. So it will add all the numbers in that range automatically if we press Alt, this button, and this button. Okay, Alt and then this one, Alt and this one, and then press enter. Here is an example also to add the January numbers in the this entertainment budget. Select cell B7, the cell immediately below the column of numbers. Then click auto sum. A formula appears in cell B7 and Excel highlights the cells you are totaling. Suppose you can see this example, we have three columns A, B, and C in our example. In column A, we have written over there entertainment. Okay. Now, what are the different forms of entertainment? Cable TV, video, rentals, movies, and CDs. And then finally, we have put one more label, that is total, at the row number 7. Now, in month of Jan and Feb, there are two more columns, Jan and Feb. Then you can see cable TV. These are the values, and if we press Alt plus equal to sign, it will automatically sum up all these Jan numbers. Similarly, it will, if we click on C7 and press Alt plus equal to, then it will also sum up all the values in column C or column Fab. Okay, you can see these examples in next figure also.